Hey, my loves. This is Raven from Raven's Reviews, and welcome back to my channel. So today, Madam Glam sent over 5 of their brand new minis. So let's get into all the magic, and I'm going to talk to you a little bit about this bundle. Y'all, Madam Glam has done it again. So not only have they updated their mini look, now it comes with a longer handle that is more ergonomic and just feels amazing in your hand. So this is an amazing way to try out a full-size bottle product in a mini bottle. So it is for half of the price, y'all. So these are all of their best sellers, and they have brought together all of their gorgeous spring colors. Well, not all, but some, 15 to be exact, for this mini spring gel bundle. Now, the perfect white, you hear me rave about it. It is so creamy, so perfect, and just in the name, right? And it comes from the perfect collection. So they've gathered all sorts of different colors from different collections that scream spring. So this is Purple Hero, and as you saw, I showed it up against its regular size counterpart. So the reason why I am so passionate and I just freak out about these mini bottles is because these are amazing for when you're traveling. So the end of April, I'm going to be doing a cross-country move, and it's going to be extremely intense. And, you know, you can't really bring a lot of stuff with you, at least in your carry-on or in your small bag. But if you use Madam Glam's portable LED and these minis, you can bring a whole lot of polishes in a very small, container or pouch. So I am just tickled pink. I think this idea is so amazing. You do not have to make the commitment of a full-size bottle, but you can still try their products. So I quickly, as I'm showing you the beautiful colors they sent me, I wanted to read for this collection. So it retails for $149.25, but with VIP, that is slashed down to $67.17. So as you see, I put 2 of the bottles together to kind of compare their old style mini versus these new mini bottles with these handles. And I think the longer handle is genius. They've really given you a full-size experience in a tiny bottle, and I think that's just amazing. So this one is Walk in the Park, and as I go through these colors, I'm just going to read the ones available. So first of all, this bundle is 15 minis. They're professional salon quality gel polishes with amazing pigmentation, great coverage, and the same amazing formula, but in the mini size. So it ranges from creamy and glittery, and the colors available are, and I also want to show you, these are 2 of the full-size bottles that are available in mini. But let me read these out for you. So there is Behind the Scenes, Deep Burgundy, Deep Emerald, Deep Sea Dream, Dream Diamonds, which is the one I showed you right here, Perfect White, which I was lucky enough they sent me. I love, love, love. Rodeo Drive, Touches of Gold, which is the other beautiful polish I showed you. Walk in the Park, River Walk, French Valley, It's Not You, It's Me, Oh My Brown, Plum Addict, which they also sent, and Purple Hero, which they sent as well. So as you see, that is a large range of their best sellers, but also colors that scream spring. So this bundle is a really great way to try 15 of their polishes for the price of 5 or 6 of them. So that is a drastic, just look at what you can get, bang for your buck wise, right? So in a beautiful live with Mama Does Nails here on YouTube, I swatched all of these gorgeous colors. So I will leave that link in the description box below. But these are all of the beautiful minis swatched. Now, the formula is identical to their large counterparts. So easy to work with, highly pigmented. That is Walk in the Park on the thumb. And then it goes into the gorgeous colors here. So we have Purple Hero on the pointer finger. And then we have Plum Addict on the middle finger. Rodeo Drive on the ring. And our Pinky is smiling perfect because she's sporting perfect white. I cannot get over, y'all, the formula. Again, I have to say it. It's so dreamy to work with. If you guys have not tried Madam Glam yet, this is an amazing way to try some of their best sellers without getting the large bottles. Now, as you see in the corner here, the Madam Glam LED lamp is the perfect pair to take on vacation with you. That is a USB charger, and it will cure your nails to perfection. So everything you have in this bundle is enough to do manis all vacation long. So no matter if you have a quick road trip you have to go on, or you literally during your lunch break at work want to quickly do a mani, Madam Glam's got your back. So you can feel free to use any of the discount codes provided in the description box below. And all of the links for these gorgeous minis will also be there. Thank you so much, Madam Glam, for sending these delicious mini polishes. And my beautiful Charm Squad, my nail family, thank you so much for watching. And I cannot wait to see you in the next video. We're going to be playing around with some more minis, y'all. So please make sure you have your notification bell on so you don't miss any of that content. Mwah. Sending so much love and light. Have an amazing rest of your day.